When it comes to preparing rice, there's no room for mistakes. Whether you're cooking for a large family, a group of friends, or a dinner party, having a rice cooker that delivers consistently delicious results every time is essential. This CUCKOO 10-cup heating pressure rice cooker and warmer, the answer to all your rice cooking needs and more. This smart, multifunctional cooker takes the hassle out of meal preparation while ensuring your rice is always cooked to perfection. Packed with innovative technology, a sleek design, and user-friendly features, CUCKOO has elevated the art of rice cooking to new heights. Why choose CUCKOO? For over 40 years, CUCKOO has been a leading name in the kitchen appliance industry, known for producing high-quality, innovative, and durable rice cookers. Trusted by both professional chefs and home cooks worldwide, CUCKOO is synonymous with precision and reliability. The CUCKOO 10-cup heating pressure rice cooker exemplifies this expertise, offering outstanding cooking performance combined with cutting-edge technology. Key features of the CUCKOO 10-cup heating pressure rice cooker and warmer. Number 1. Versatile 13 menu options. Endless possibilities. From white and brown rice to porridge, scorched rice, and even multi-cook options, this rice cooker offers 13 fully customizable menu settings. Adaptable cooking. Whether you're making rice, soups, stews, or warming up leftovers, there's a perfect cooking mode for every need. Reheat function. No more worrying about leftovers. Simply use the reheat function and enjoy perfectly warmed food with minimal effort. Number 2. Large 20-cup cooked capacity. Perfect for large gatherings. With a 20-cup cooked capacity, this rice cooker is ideal for preparing meals for large families, dinner parties, or any event where serving a generous amount of rice is needed. It's a great option for housewarmings, holiday dinners, or catered events. Efficient cooking. Despite its large capacity, the CUCKOO rice cooker uses its advanced cooking system to deliver evenly cooked rice every time, without the need for constant monitoring. Number 3. User-friendly digital controls and fuzzy logic technology. Intuitive interface. The easy-to-use digital control panel features a modern LED display, allowing you to set the cooking process with just a few simple touches. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Fuzzy logic technology. This smart technology automatically adjusts cooking parameters such as cooking time and temperature to ensure perfectly cooked rice and other dishes. Preset timer. You can even set the cooker to start at a specific time, allowing you to place the ingredients in the cooker in the morning and return home to freshly cooked rice. This feature eliminates the stress of last-minute meal prep. Number 4. Safe steam release and pressure cooking. Safe and quiet operation. The CUCKOO rice cooker features a safe steam release system that quietly and automatically releases pressure during cooking. No loud hissing sounds or messy cleanup here. Pressure cooking. The pressure cooking function speeds up cooking time while enhancing the flavor and texture of your rice, delivering perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time. Number 5. High-quality construction. Durable stainless steel inner pot. The rice cooker comes equipped with a high-quality stainless steel inner pot that ensures durability and even heat distribution. Nonstick coating. The black shine nonstick coating ensures that rice doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot, making cleanup a breeze and ensuring that every batch of rice turns out perfectly. Number 6. Hassle-free auto-clean feature. Automatic steam clean. After cooking, the CUCKOO rice cooker has an auto-clean function that gently steams the interior for a quick, deep clean. It's the perfect way to keep your rice cooker looking brand new and ready for your next meal without any hassle. Number 7. Convenient accessories. Everything you need. The CUCKOO 10-cup heating pressure rice cooker comes with a rice spatula, measuring cup, and a comprehensive product manual, providing all the tools you need to get started right out of the box. Why CUCKOO stands out in the market? When you think of the best rice cookers on the market, CUCKOO always stands out, and for good reason. What sets this rice cooker apart is its blend of cutting-edge technology, large cooking capacity, and versatility. Unlike other rice cookers that offer limited functions, CUCKOO provides a range of cooking options to cater to various cuisines and preferences. Whether you're cooking rice, porridge, soups, or other dishes, this cooker can do it all. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.